Nagbabala ka ba na magkaroon ng condo property in SMDC? Mabuhay! This is Patrick, your property investment manager of SMDC under the team Aja Elite. And here are the 6 benefits of investing a condo property in SMDC. First is the low maintenance. So dito, lock and go ka. You don't need to worry about the maintenance of the building dahil sa SMDC, meron silang sariling property management na kung saan nagme-maintain na kagandahan at kalinisan ng buong project. Unlike sa bahay, after a year, you need to repaint the ceilings and walls. Pag may mga nasirang tubo, kailangan mo pang magtawag na mag-aayos. Dito, okay na, wala ka nang iintindihin dahil sa property management, safe na safe ka. The second one is the amenities. So here at SMDC, all in na. Hindi lang unit mo ang binili mo, kundi ang amenities din. We have pools, gym, function room. If you are the unit owner, you can use all the amenities of our project. Third one is the safety and security. Here at SMDC, we offer 24-hour security. Meron na din siyang automatic fire sprinkler system, centralized garbage collection and disposal system, and standby generator. Next is the prime location. The reason why a lot of investors and buyers ay talagang nag-i-invest sa project ni SMDC ay dahil ito ay nasa prime location. Asahan mo na lahat ng project ni SMDC ay kalakip nito ay ang SM Malls. At hindi lang yan, malapit din ito sa mga schools, hospitals, and other establishments. Fifth is the affordability. Alam nyo ba na ang condo unit ay mas affordability compare sa house and lot? And here at SMDC, we offer the best deals na talagang magugustuhan ng mga investors and buyers natin. Lastly, it is a source of passive income. Trivia lang guys, alam nyo ba na ang mga projects ni SMDC na nasa Metro Manila ay napakalakas sa Airbnb business? Lalo na ang Pasay at Makati. And alam nyo ba na ang unit nyo ay kayang mag-earn ng 30 to 60k per month? And it can actually cover your monthly amortization. Kaya kumuha ka na ng unit mo hanggat meron pang available. We will give you the best deal and the best payment terms na talagang magugustuhan mo. Reserve now!